Hi everybody, it's Hope. Today I'm going to talk about how I organize my workspace in order to maximize my creativity. I don't know about you, but boy, I don't like spending 30 minutes looking for the perfect image or the perfect brush or the perfect text. I'd rather focus on just letting my creativity flow, you know? So I'm going to show you a few tricks of what I do, what I've learned over the years that really have helped me out. The first thing I want to talk about is organizing your images. So what I do, I'm going to bring up Adobe Bridge here just to show you how I organize things. I invested in an external drive a while ago, and I really suggest you do that. And I took all my images off my C drive and put them on an external drive, and that way it doesn't bog my machine down, especially if you're running a Windows platform, which happens to copy everything. And anyways, it gets slower every month that goes by. So I have an external drive. If you think you can't afford it, think again. You can get like a 2 gig flash drive for like $6. I have some deeper ones than that, but anyways, that's just my preference. So I organize all my images into categories that I'm familiar with. Anime, for example, C4D images, um, military, people, patterns, knights, samurai knights, Uma Thurman, the Uma Thurman folder. Anyways, so let's just open knights. So I have all these different images that have to do with knights here, you know. So I've got castles and dragons and Afro Samurai and Tom Cruise and his last samurai movie. Anyways, we're going to open up this image here. Um, okay. So another thing I want to talk about today is text and matching text up. I'm going to show you an easy trick. Oh, here's another thing. Here's another trick for you. When you're working with images, most of my SIGs are like 400 by 200 pixels or 400 by 150 pixels. And so all my images, when I work with them, I always bring them down to 500 by 500. It makes things a lot easier. Here, image size. I choose the larger one of the two and just put in 500. And that makes my image really easy to work with. Okay, so I'm just going to drag my image on here, and that fits pretty nice. So what I want to do here is I want to match up this text with this image, with this render. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the text toolbar. Inside this box, highlight it, and then on your keyboard with your fingers you have the up and down arrows and the left and right arrows. Just go ahead and start pressing the down arrow, and if you have this highlighted it should work. There we go. Now I'm looking for a text that's going to match up nicely here, so I can just go through depending on how many text that you have to find something that's going to match up. And there you have it. That looks pretty nice. Gonna go and bring this back down to 0. Get things bunched up a bit and bring it right on. And there we have it. Okay. Alright. All my videos are less than 5 minutes. So I'm going to try to pack as much information in them to teach you as much as I can, as fast as I can, so that you'll come and visit my site and learn a lot. Alright? Okay, I hope you picked up a few good tips there. I have like 30 seconds left. I do want to say that you can go down on the bottom of the screen or on the frame, the YouTube frame, and click HD if you need a clearer picture. Also, you can enlarge it to your full screen if you want, so it's your normal Adobe PS size screen. Alright, that's all there is today. Catch you next time. Cheers.